What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert a Word document to a PDF file quickly and easily. If you have a Word document that you want to save as a PDF, the process is quick and simple. First, open the Word document on your computer. Once the document is open, click on File in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Save As or Export, depending on your version of Microsoft Word. Now, choose the location where you want to save the file, such as your desktop or any specific folder. Next, look for the Save As Type drop-down menu and select PDF from the list. Once selected, click Save, and Word will automatically convert the document into a PDF file. After the conversion is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file and open it to verify that it appears correctly as a PDF. This method works on all modern versions of Microsoft Word and ensures that your document maintains its original formatting when viewing as a PDF. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.